Filipinos, sabi niya.
Dapat kasi mom.
There's no food here, ma'am. No food.
Sorry, I have no food. Para inumibot ka.
Anong food na? May binibili for them?
Yan, sa mga stores.
Uy, bili tayo eh.
You have to find them.
I think doon, most likely.
Oo naman.
50 yan yung...
Parang may mga stalls look tingin doon.
Oo.
I think dito yung stall.
It's such a pretty deer.
Yeah.
Hi. Hi, dear.
Hi, pet mo, moms.
Susubuti siya.
Have. I'm sorry.
Another one approaching.
Kung sa Frenzies na, no, hindi nila ginaihaw. Kasi hindi ginaihaw ng mga...
Drugs, uy, what yan?
Jerky here.
Uy, bawal yan.
Ano sila, herbivore sila.
Uy, kuya, baka maano siya.
Ma-learn niya yung kuhan.
Herbivore yan sila.
So, we're here in Nara Park.
Oh my God, kuya, wag.
In Nara, no? So, we just arrived here. Deers around. We just arrived. No? It's a heritage park talaga siya. Like, tumatawid, no? Deers are being respected here. Hmm? Mm.
せんべい食べてるだろ
I'll go there. I think the stalls are there. Okay.
Invite ka for us.
I'll find the stall. Mom, what else is he going to do?
Go na. Go there. Find food.
But what, mom? We come back here because there's so much deer
Ayan
here.
eh.
What deer here buy at this here?
Ay, yung hearing ko, no?
But these are deer. Deer will buy daw.
I'll wait for you here, kuya.
Dami tayo dito.
Grabe na.
You're bow, but you don't have food. You're gonna expect. Bow.
These are deer.
Bite to? Ay, sumisipa pala siya. Knockdown, no?
Grabe, nagtanong talaga siya sa person ba?
Si,
Sa dulo pa?
Down, so na.
Vending machine. Ay, go kaya. Wait for you here, kuya.
Here, baka yung mga dito, makita.
But this is our deer.
oh,
Show sa Bambi na.
Baka maraming deer doon.
everywhere naman deer niya.